Okay, hi guys! Welcome to our channel. And today we are gonna do a eating banana challenge.
No, 1, 2, 3, go!
What we're gonna do? Wait, you're cheating. You can open it yet. I didn't even say the start.
1, 2, 3,
So and then we're gonna eat it, guys. And then whoever finish, we should have the timer. So, meron kaming timer, guys, only for a minute. So kailangan, before matapos yung 1 minute, kailangan tapos
I do
ka
this
na.
every single day, so I'm probably going to do.
So, we only gonna...
Jeez, Bucky, relax.
We don't
Good.
want that.
Okay, nanaday?
Pila ka minutes?
1 minute. So, we just have to do it. We have to finish this
Banana.
after 1 minute. No, before... Kasi guys,
Before.
1 minute lang yung timer namin. So, kailangan maubos na namin to before yung 1 minute matapos yung 1 minute. Ayan. So, are we ready? So, my name is Grace and this is my nephew.
And my name is Jackson. Jackson.
Just relax.
Doing
Go
that.
behind the camera. You're supposed to be taking this.
Okay,
Hey,
go over there,
you're
bud.
walking.
Okay, now mom.
Okay, Domon.
I'm not taking it. I'll turn on the baby.
Okay, and this is my cousin, Jeneline.
Charot.
Are you ready?
I'm shooting
Wait, you're cheating too. You have to take the skin off when the time starts.
Oh, shalan.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3,
Start.
go. Start. You guys are cheating.
What are you talking about?
Lapit ng time.
Jagger! Jagger! Let go! Jagger! I would say, Grace! 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 I want Grace to steam. Mom! 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 Mom!
Slow right there. This is gum. Wait mo.
I guess it's joined up.
Wala, 11 seconds.
Done. I will.
Oh no!
No!
Well, so Jeneline, she won, guys.
Yay, mommy!
She ate the banana in a minute. And Jagger and I are the loser.
Well, I still did something. Yay! Still did something. I found this. See this penny?
So guys, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoy watching our video. See you next time.
Bye!
Oh, si Jagger.